Hi guys, it's Shell, Sunbury Housewives. Welcome back to another DIY. If you're new to our channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see future DIYs. Today on our channel, I am going to be making these Farmhouse Farm animal kitchen decor items. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get in the video. So I got these farm animal chalkboards from from Pat Catan's when they're going out of sale, and those frames I got from Dollar Tree. So I got these chalkboards from Pat Catan's when they were going out of business, and I had originally glued them onto this foam board, and I was going to do something with them and never did. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take them off of the foam board, and I'm only using the chicken and the cow right now. So for now, I'm going to peel them off of the foam board. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of the frames, and then I am going to take the hanger off of the frame because I'm going to actually hang this the opposite direction. I'm going to hang it horizontal as opposed to vertical. And so I just unscrew those. And then I'm also going to pop out the plastic from the frame. It just literally is plastic. And it just pops out super easy. Now taking some chicken wire, I'm just gonna measure how much I need and then cut off the extra that I don't and set that aside. And now I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue the chicken wire all the way around the frame. Now I'm going to measure in 2 inches from each side so that I can put the hanger back on, and I just drill a hole each of the markings, and then now I'm going to glue the cow chalkboard to the front. Now everything that I'm doing to the cow, I also do to the chicken on the other frame. Did add a little hot glue on the back where the chicken wire was touching the chalkboard, just for a little added security. And then I decided to take some chalk and write Rise and Shine On the chicken, well, the rooster, and on the cow, I just I wrote moo. And here they are hanging underneath my cabinets. Don't know if I'm going to keep them here, but I love how they turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!